Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, pakinggan natin ang mga katanungan ni Kiko Escuadro from Radar PH.
Hello po, congratulations. First question po kay Direk po muna. Hi Direk.
Hello.
Direk, nasa goal po pa ng reunion concert is yung syempre ma-tour sa iba't ibang lugar sa Philippines or outside the Philippines?
Sa lahat naman ng concerts yun ang yun ang isa sa mga goals na maging nationwide, makapag-tour, makapag-world tour. So sa lahat naman ng mga concerts ganun. So parang feeling ko ganun din naman yung goal dito, kaya pinaghahandaan mabuti yung project, yung concert. Para lang kumbaga karapat-dapat siyang i-tour. Hindi siya yung parang magsama-sama lang sila na okay na yan, pwede na yan. So kaya pinaghahandaan namin talagang mabuti to. Actually yung group chat nga namin dito, hindi tumitigil na 24 hours a day. Minsan akala ko nababangungot na ako pag tumutunog yung telepono ko. Pero buhay silang lahat hanggang madaling araw. So doon mo naman makikita yung yung kung gaano sila yung kagustuhan nilang mapaganda yung project. Makikita mo yung puso nila doon sa proyekto. And ako na-appreciate ko yan sa mga talents kasi hindi lahat ng mga talents ganyan sa trabaho. Minsan, ang tingin lang nila, trabaho lang to, dadaan lang to. Ito sa kanila, very personal ang nila doon sa project na to. So, ayun. Hindi naman, sanay na ako.
And Direk, very masasabi mo na-mention mo na yung group chat, maingay yung group chat, very hands-on sila.
Yes. So, masasabi ko, lahat sila. Ako kasi na-appreciate ko yun kasi ako yung type of director na gusto ko nagko-collaborate with the artists. So, maganda yung nagbibigay din sila ng mga gusto nila, yung mga ideas nila. So, kapag nagko-collaborate yung buong team, kasi ang isang project para maging successful, hindi lang naman sa director yan o sa producer lang. Nandun yan sa buong effort ng buong team hanggang sa production staff, saka sa mga cast, sa mga artists. So, ayun, very collaborative yung grupo dito sa project na to.
Okay po. And sa girls, siguro anyone can answer po. Na-mention din ni Direk na yung goal is to i-pasyal ang Viva Hot Babes sa Philippines or outside the Philippines. Kayo po ba ready kayo doon sa ganong idea? Kasi syempre na-mention niyo din kanina na meron na kayong mga sarili-sarili mga buhay, iba-ibang career path. Kayo po, ready kayo doon?
We are very ready. We are more than ready. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ni Direk, no? The group is very committed to making this reunion concert work. Because like what Andrea said earlier, it's going to open new doors for each and every one of us. So for us to actually, I mean, we're hoping, we get to do a world tour. We're hoping we get to tour the Philippines again, which we have done for the longest time together. And that feeling is really different when you're all together, diba? We're hoping that by doing this, we can make it happen again. And ako, as one of the members, I'd have to say, and I'm very confident in saying, that we will tour the Philippines and we will tour the world again.
In addition to that, I think ang mga Pilipino, our talent is very pang-international. So syempre yun ang goal din namin, that we can reach other Filipinos sa ibang parte ng mundo, di ba? So yeah, that's our goal.
Thank you po, thank you.
Okay, pag nag-world tour kayo, if you need a host, I'm here. Okay, segue tayo lang. Okay, thank you. Now, moving on to Tempo, Neil Ramos.
Thanks, ma'am. Good evening po. First question lang, Viva Hot Babes kasi hindi kayo complete na po. Marami pa tayo ibang doon sa caption ng unang labas ng poster, may sinabi yung Viva na i-add pang mga names sa list. Would you be able to say kung sino kaya yun or surpresa ba?
Well, meron kaming mga guests na kasama. As of now kasi, we've invited some. Pero meron palang mga few na confirmed. And then, we're actually trying to locate also to connect with other members. Kasi syempre, as much as possible, we want na sana marami. Or at least hindi man sila maka-join sa whole show, at least sa isang spot makapagsama-sama kami, if they can. Because most of the, or ma-recognize, we want to recognize lahat ng mga naging members eh. Pero kasi po, ang mahirap sa amin ngayon, nasa ibang bansa na po halos lahat. And then, syempre, may mga kanya-kanyang family ni rin. So, nagiging, yung, of course, yung pag-iwan ng work nila doon. But, meron kaming ibang mga nakausap na nandito sa Philippines that might join us. So, yun po, medyo sinusurprise pa namin kasi we want na maging sorpresa po yun pagdating sa show na pag nilabas namin sila, na nandyan sila, na sumama sila dito sa spot na to just to ipakita lang sa audience na, oh, eto pala siya, parang para ma-remember lang ulit yung mga ibang members na hindi nakasama sa whole show. Pero dumating for that specific spot.
Okay. And of course, na yung nostalgia thing, obviously, nasimula ng Sex Bomb, baka magkaroon ng mga comparison. You know, anong take niyo po doon? May comment ba kayo kung sakali the comparison arises?
To be honest, I think hindi mawawala yung comparison. It will always be there. But, kasi we don't actually need, or we don't see that we need to be compared to each other because one of the reasons why we're actually doing this reunion concert is because we were inspired by the Sex Bomb. Yung Sex Bomb, the SB group, they're actually good friends of everyone. So when they found out that we were having this reunion concert, actually they already sent a congratulatory message to the group. Yeah. So comparison, yes, we will be compared, but yun nga our concert will be different in such a way that, like what we said earlier, we want to showcase the celebration of the 23 years of friendship. And this is not just an ordinary concert. It's going to be an experience for everyone. Ipaparamdam namin sa lahat na ito yung Viva Hot Babes. This is what we've gone through throughout these years. This is what we've achieved. This is the years of friendship that we built. And everyone's gonna feel that all throughout, especially through the end of the concert.
Thank you po. Yun lang po.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, maybe ask for some tissue po. And our ladies are becoming emotional here. All right, we're all excited to see what they have, what they will be preparing for us. Okay, now let us move on to the second batch of press, beginning with Nikki Wan, Jeff Fernando, Isa Iglesias, and Nurse Almo. For now, from Manila Standard, pakinggan natin